Man-a-Morphosis is an intelligent, multifunctional formula designed to quench thirsty hair and skin. Come back to life with this invigorating body lotion that also acts as a hair conditioner. In the shower, after shampooing, apply a dime size, squeeze the hair, and massage into scalp. Rinse post-shower, apply generously to skin from neck to toe. Our skin acts as daily armor, but it doesn't have to look worn. Treat your armor with care and rub each body part separately for maximum man-a-morphosis. Man-a-Morphosis has got you covered from head to toe.
PRZMAN products are 100% natural and free from artificial fragrances and colors. They're safe for all mankind.